I'm Adam Martin with Rovema, and this is our high-speed BVC 165 twin-tube machine. This can run pillow bags at up to 500 cycles per minute, which is our fastest machine ever. It can make a pillow bag up to 165 millimeters in width, and what's important about this machine is that we're able to run independent lanes, all the way from the scale through independent jaw drives and to downstream equipment. You have the option of running 2 independent rolls of film or 1 roll of film that we split down the center. This machine offers easy accessibility with doors that swing open 180 degrees for cleaning or other easy maintenance. The machine carries a very low footprint with the electrical cabinet housed inside. However, you can pull it out for easy accessibility and service. This machine features our special Sense and Seal technology, which creates a bag chain when product is caught in the jaws and rejects that bag downstream. This allows you to keep running continuously and fluidly.
Our machine's so smooth, it won't spill your drink.